So are you still using YouTube like it's 2015? Seriously, if you're on there every single day and you feel like you already know absolutely everything there is to know about the platform, trust me, you don't. Most of us are honestly just stuck in this endless scrolling loop, basically acting as casual consumers. But there's this entirely different way to navigate the platform, the way the true insiders use it.
So welcome to the ultimate YouTube Insider Explainer. I am beyond excited to guide you through this today. Our goal here is to completely upgrade your knowledge. We're going to graduate you from a casual consumer to an absolute hacker of the platform. We're looking at hidden features that'll help you find better content, organize exactly what you watch, take control of your recommendations, and even bypass some of those really annoying problems without having to install a single extra thing. Okay, let's dive right into this.
All right, here is our roadmap for the explainer today. Consider this the ultimate cheat sheet you're about to unlock. First, we'll cover how to upgrade your day-to-day viewing experience. Next up, mastering some truly brilliant URL hacks. Third, we're exploring the hidden power of transcripts. And finally, number 4, we'll break down some essential, built-in tools for creators.
Let's kick things off with Section 1, upgrading your viewing experience. It's time to drastically improve how we actually interact with the video player itself.
Look, we have all been there, right? You're trying to find a very specific moment, blindly dragging that little red progress dot back and forth, just hoping you land on the right frame. It is incredibly frustrating, especially if you're trying to learn something specific. Well, say goodbye to blind scrubbing. What you want to use is precise seeking. The steps are so simple. Just tap the progress bar on your mobile device, grab that red scrubber dot, and swipe up. Boom! The video pauses and reveals this continuous strip of thumbnails, literally frame by frame. You just use the vertical white line as your guide and swipe left or right. Imagine you're watching a cooking tutorial and you need to find the exact split second a chef flips a super delicate pancake. Instead of guessing, you just swipe through the thumbnails until you see the spatula lift. It completely changes your learning experience. Oh, and a quick bonus tip here, look out for the little peaks and valleys in the progress bar graph. Those bumps actually show you where real viewers kept going back and replaying a specific moment.
Okay, let's keep this momentum going with a rapid-fire look at some interface tricks that give you immediate value. First, if you just press and hold anywhere on a playing video, it temporarily bumps the playback speed to 2x. Let go and it drops right back to normal. It is perfect for skipping past those long intros. Next, stop searching from the main bar if you want a specific upload from a creator you already trust. Just go straight to their channel page, tap that tiny magnifying glass in the channel header and search there. It only searches their specific uploads. Third, instead of opening things one by one, just swipe down on a video you're currently watching, long press another thumbnail, and tap Play Next in Queue. Bam, you built a temporary watch session. Finally, if your recommendations are getting totally chaotic, just head over to your watch history and delete those weird ones you accidentally clicked on. It instantly resets the algorithm to focus back on what you actually care about.
Moving right along to Section 2, Mastering URL Hacks. We are officially escalating you to hacker status now by looking really closely at your browser's address bar. You know, creating GIFs used to require downloading the whole file and booting up clunky third-party software. Well, not anymore. Take any standard URL and just take the letters GIF right before the word YouTube. So it literally reads www.gifyoutube.com. Hit enter, and you're instantly transported to a GIF creator page with the footage already uploaded and ready to go. You can set the duration, crop the frame, add your own text, and generate a totally custom GIF in seconds. It's almost too easy. Here is another URL hack that solves a major headache. Have you ever wanted to share a link with a friend, but the really funny part doesn't happen until, say, a minute and a half in? Don't just send the link and tell them to fast forward. That's amateur hour. To fix this, just add an ampersand, the letter T, an equal sign, and the time to the very end of the URL. So it looks like and T equals 1M30S. When your friend clicks that custom link, the player jumps straight to the action. Now sure, you can also do this by hitting the share button and checking the Start At box, but knowing the actual URL code, that makes you a true pro.
Our last URL hack tackles the default homepage. We all know the main homepage is heavily algorithmic, and let's be honest, sometimes it pushes content you have absolutely zero interest in. To bypass this chaotic default algorithm entirely, just append /feed/subscriptions to the main domain. Bookmarking this direct feed means that every single time you open the site, you're only seeing the content from the creators you actually chose to subscribe to. It is a total game changer for staying focused.
Okay, so we've optimized how you watch. Now, in Section 3, the power of transcripts, we're crossing the threshold from viewer convenience straight into creator strategy.
When most people think of transcripts, they just think of plain old closed captions sitting at the bottom of the screen. But a true transcript is a full word-for-word text version of everything spoken. And the best part? It's entirely interactive. As you watch, the transcript automatically scrolls and highlights the exact line being spoken. It's honestly like having a smart, clickable notepad. If you're watching a long interview or a dense tutorial, you can literally just click on a sentence right there in the transcript window and it instantly jumps to that exact moment. You can even use your browser search function inside the text to find a specific keyword without doing any scrubbing at all.
So, why does this matter so much strategically? Well, because this platform is actually the world's second largest search engine, right behind its parent company Google. And here's the thing, search engines can't watch video, they read text. Therefore, having accurate text associated with your content is an absolute necessity if you want it to actually be found by the right audience.
And that brings us to how creators actively leverage this. The platform automatically generates its own transcripts, sure, but they aren't always perfectly accurate. To really feed the algorithm and dramatically boost search rankings, professional creators take control. When you're uploading, simply go to subtitle/cc. From there, you can upload a pristine, pre-written text transcript file, or just paste a full transcript right in and let the system automatically set the timings for you. You can even paste your transcript straight into the description box. Doing this provides maximum context to the search engine, which means your content is vastly more likely to be recommended to a focused learner looking for exactly what it is you're teaching.
For our final section today, Section 4, Essential Tools for Creators, we're looking at some incredible built-in features, because you don't always need super expensive external software to produce great stuff.
Finding good background music is usually a nightmare of copyright strikes and takedowns, but the Creator Music tool inside the studio totally solves this. As you can see, you have three main options. First is paid. You purchase the track and you keep full monetization, but you do run the risk of the license expiring later on. If you forget to remove it, that could lead to a strike. Then there's rev share, which costs nothing up front, but you gotta split your ad revenue with the rights holders. And finally, free. This costs $0, it is completely safe from copyright strikes, and there are absolutely zero royalties to pay. For most creators, free is by far the safest, smartest, and least stressful option.
Building right off that free option, we have the audio library. You can download high-quality 320 kilobit per second audio tracks and sound effects directly from this library. Guys, this is a massive, completely royalty-free resource built straight into the Creator Studio. You can search it by genre, mood, or even specific instruments. It completely saves creators from having to rely on sketchy third-party websites or paying hefty monthly subscriptions just for background music and sound design. It's a lifesaver.
Lastly, what if your raw footage just needs a little help? You don't necessarily need fancy desktop editing software to fix it. The Native Enhancements tool provides some serious magic right inside your browser. You can auto-fix your lighting and color with a single click. If you shot handheld and it's making viewers dizzy, you can stabilize those shaky camera motions effortlessly. You can apply slow motion, and from a privacy standpoint, the custom face blurring tool is incredible. It automatically tracks and blurs faces in your scene without you having to manually mask them frame by frame. It is literally an entire post-production suite just sitting right there under the hood.
Well, we've covered a ton of ground today in this explainer, everything from precise seeking and brilliant URL hacks to the SEO power of transcripts and built-in creator tools. The platform is just so much deeper than a play button and a comments section. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Which hidden feature are you going to unlock next? Are you going to start bookmarking your subscription feed today? Are you going to go generate a custom GIF right now? The tools are all there just waiting for you to use them. Dive in and happy exploring.